how to use the double time in Whiteout Survival. Now, in order to use this, you're gonna have to go ahead to your chief's house and go to the chief orders where you can, of course, find your double time. Then in your double time, as you can see, this accelerates new building construction or new upgrades in the city by 20% starting in the next 5 minutes. So pretty much all the constructions that is currently ongoing, then those will be accelerated. So if you have a 10-day build or something, it will turn into an 8-day build. So it helps pretty much in upgrading buildings from those kinds of types. It impacts pretty much any buildings you start to upgrade during those 5 minutes and gives a reduction to the total upgrade time. So days can be saved by using this. So all you have to do is use 800,000 contentments, and once you go ahead and press on the enact, then it should pretty much start working. So you do have 5 minutes of choosing whichever you want to upgrade or the ones that's currently in upgrading. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use the double time in Whiteout Survival. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.